Alright guys, so what I'm going to do in this video is run you through the Facebook ad accounts and just show you what everything is, and we might create a Facebook page because you will need a Facebook page when you're doing this. Now, I'm not gonna, if you're from my Ecom Elites training course, I went really in depth with this, but we're not going to go too in depth because I really don't have much room in this training. I've put in a lot more videos than I thought. So if you have any questions, just let me know. But Facebook is really easy to understand. It's not that hard, Facebook ads. It's really simple. So I'll show you right now what to do. So if you want to go to your Facebook ads, just click on this tab up here and you can go to Manage Ads, or down here you can go to Manage Ads or Ads Manager. So I'm going to do that. Now, depending on Facebook's changed a lot. I haven't started. This is just a retargeting for my theme, so I don't mind showing this. But Facebook's changed a lot, so you might have to unlock your account. I don't know if you will have to or not. If you're new to do that, you just simply put in your credit card information. We're not going to be talking about. I wonder if we should do Facebook Business Manager. We're not going to talk about the Business Manager because I think that will confuse a lot of new people to my training. Okay, so in your Facebook ad account, it should look something like this, and you should have your name and your account, and you can create a Business Manager account if you want. The upside with Business Manager accounts is you can create multiple things, like you can share audiences, you can create multiple pixels, and all of that sort of stuff. Okay, so that's more advanced stuff. I'll probably do that in version 2.0. In version 1.0, guys, we're just going to go through the basics of Facebook advertising because I don't want you guys to get confused. Now, up in here, there's only a few things you really need to worry about. Is the Ads Manager, Audiences, and Pixels. Analytics is pretty cool. We can have a look at that later on. And I'll do we'll go through some data. And then we have, what else is quite important? That's really it. You don't, and billing information. You need to put in your billing credit cards so Facebook can charge you. Okay. You don't really need to worry about offline events, app events, custom conversions, not so much at this point. Maybe we'll talk about that in 2.0. Automated rules, you don't really need to worry about all of that. So Ads Manager is really simple, guys. Inside Ads Manager, you have your ads. So you're managing your ads, and you can create an ad or campaign. And so you have 3 levels. You have level number 1, which is pretty simple. It's your campaign. Inside your campaign, guys, you have what we call ad sets. Okay, I have some ad sets here. This is just, I haven't really messed with this yet, but this is only one of my accounts. I just don't want to show my other ones that have lots of stuff in there. This is the ad set, and then inside the ad set, guys, so inside a particular ad set, if I click on inside video here, that's not delivering though. This is now called the advert, the ads. Okay, so what we do, guys, is in the campaign, that's the objective. That's more like just picking what you want to do, whether it be engagement, leads, and stuff like that. The ad set is where you pick the age, location, and your audience, and things like that, and your interest. Ads is where you do the ad copy, like you do here. You simply change the ad copy, and I put in my video here, and all of that cool stuff, right? You can see my video showing people how they can customize the product, right? So that's really easy, really simple, really good to do. Next, we have audiences, which is really cool. So I can, these are people who have visited the Ecom Turbo page. So what I can do is I can retarget back to them and get more purchases. This is the people who have made a purchase in the last 14 days. This is the people who have visited the sites in the last 30 days. But I will actually do a video on custom audiences and show you how to create custom audiences, okay? But this is custom audiences. And you can do lookalike audiences. And then we have pixels, which is what I showed you before. All right, nice and simple. You can create pixels. A pixel is really critical, guys, because it gives you a lot of data. Let's look at this. It gives you a lot of data. It's telling me, it's pretty much just tracking everything on my site. Activities, sorry. So, I can see what page they went on, I can see what they were using. I can see a lot of stuff here. Okay, I don't know why I have it on the Savage Affiliates page. Oh, right, because we just used it in that split test. So I need to actually get rid of that because I don't want it conflicting my stuff. It's a good idea to have one. It's a good idea to have one URL per pixel, just so there's no confusion. Okay, so I'm going to change that. And yeah, I can see a page view. How many ads? Let's go back to details real quick. How many add to carts I've had. Diagnostics, so if there's any problems, there's no issues with my pixel. Events, so how many page views, add to carts, and down here you can see it. So we've had 5K. Now one thing I actually want to really stress, guys, check this out. So we've actually had, this is really important, don't close this video, trust me. Let's go the last 14 days. The last 14 days I've had 2,700 people view my site. If I go to audiences, my custom audience is a little bit different, and I'll tell you why. My custom audience in the last 30 days, we've had 1,300 people on our custom audience, and this one is in the last 2 weeks, we've had 2,700. So why is this a lot more, even though the day's a lot less? Because for the custom audience, Facebook only adds people who were logged into Facebook when they actually visited your website. So even though 2,700 people in the last, let's actually go to, we'll go 30 days to make it, so we'll go here, we'll go 15th, we'll just, okay, that's a little bit. Did I say 30 days in the other one? Yeah. Let's just pretend this is 30 days and we've got 5,000 people. That means out of 5,000 people that visited my site, only 1,300 were logged into Facebook at that time. Okay, that's a really critical thing because a lot of people don't realize that, oh, my pixel's not working properly. That's not true. It just means that only 1,300 people were, or it'd be a little bit more than that, it goes to be 100. Only 1,300 people were logged into Facebook at that time. So even though I'm getting 5,000 people visiting my site per month, that's not always going to show up in the custom audience when I create that custom audience. Okay, so that's quite cool about the pixels. And we've had, in the last 30 days, 91 purchases. Once again, if they're not logged into Facebook, it's not going to, so in the last 14 days we had 30. So it would actually be around about 60. In 30 days we had 60 purchases. If they weren't logged in, so in the last 30 days we actually had 90 here. So if they weren't logged in, it's not going to track that as a purchase. It'll track it on your ads, okay? It'll track it on the ads, but it won't actually track it. It won't actually add it to your custom audience. So what that means is sometimes if you, let's say you for example, have your own product, okay, and I make a retargeting ad for Ecom Turbo, some people are going to be like, hey, I've already purchased your product, why am I seeing that? Because that person, even though I exclude purchases, that person was probably not signed into Facebook at that point of time. All right, so that's quite something good to know. Now, so that's really all you need to know, guys, about the Facebook Ads Manager. We're going to go back to Ads Manager now. I don't use a Power Editor anymore. I think they even took the Power Editor away. I haven't checked in a long time. The Power Editor is pretty useless now. I just use this. If you don't know what the Power Editor is, don't worry. I think it's actually gone. Let's just check. Yeah, the Power Editor is not even here anymore, so don't even worry about that. To create an ad, you go create an ad, and then we have our objective is our campaign. Ad set is audience, placements, budgets, and schedules, and then ad is format, media, and additional creative. And we're going to go through all this in the when I create an ad, I'll create one, and we'll go through all of this. Okay, this is just a quick overview of the ad account. Now, what I want to do, guys, is actually show you how to create your own page, because you are going to need a page to do this. Quite simple. Pretty much all of you guys will already know how to do this. Go to the tab up here, and you want to go to Create Page. and you're just going to do, you might do public figure, cause or community, brand or product. It doesn't really matter. Like, just do something. They're all pretty much the same. We'll just say we're a coach, and I'll just say my name's Franklin Bobby, and I'll just go get started. Really, really easy to do, guys. And then I'm going to skip that because I don't want to upload a profile right now. Skip a cover photo. You just upload a cover photo yourself, no problem. And I've literally just created a page in about 30 seconds. And I can use this as my page because you're going to have a page when you're advertising Facebook. Okay? And that's it. I literally just created a page right then. And then to upload a profile photo, you click here. Upload a cover, you click here. Okay? And that's all you need to do right now. I'll show you how to link this to your Facebook ad account inside the training. So guys, if you have any questions, just ask me inside the group. If you're from my Ecom Elites training and you're wondering why there's not so many advanced Facebook ads in this particular section, is because there is actually a lot to cover. But with collecting leads and affiliate marketing, there's actually not a lot involved compared to e-commerce. It's a lot less involved. Scaling's a lot easier. It's a lot less. It's really easy to get leads, and we're not trying to get a sale. So it's actually a lot easier to do Facebook ads for affiliate marketing or promoting your own products. Remember that you can use this to promote your own products as well. Okay, you can use all this to promote your own products. So I'm probably going to advertise this as not just an affiliate course, also as a promote your own products as well. Okay, guys. So that's it for this. Just a quick run through of Facebook ads. Really, really simple, really easy, and we'll go through all of this in a little bit more and more in-depth videos. I have a video on audiences. I won't do one on pixels, but audience, and we'll create an ad. Okay, guys, so that's just an easy rundown of Facebook ads. The number one thing I really would advise you to do is not complicate things. Keep it simple, guys. Keep it simple. Facebook ads. Create an ad. And just do automatic bidding, and you're good to go. Like, don't do manual bidding. You probably don't even know what I'm talking about if you're a beginner, so don't worry. But don't do manual bidding if you don't know how to do that. Okay. And this is just look at this real quick, guys. This is some retargeting. I spent $37 and made back $500 in 7 days. I actually had these paused for the last few days. I just started them up again, and I'm going to be tweaking these and making good money. But in the last 30 days, guys, I've made $2,254 by only spending $182. So I'm going to show you how to do Facebook retargeting as well. More for email marketing. I do some retargeting with email marketing and affiliate marketing, so we'll talk about it more inside of that module, but we will also talk about it inside of this module. But this is for my own product, but it still works the same. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.